Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Windows Update error 0x80240009 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to clear the Windows Update cache. To do so, press the Windows button, type in cmd, then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in here in the command prompt window, make sure to copy paste the following list of commands that I posted in the description below, but make sure to copy each command at a time, press enter and do so with the next command until the list is finished. Then you can restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Next in line, another useful solution is to repair the system files. To do this, press the Windows button, type in cmd, then run command prompt as an administrator. Now in here, copy paste the SFC and DISM commands from the description below, but make sure to copy each command at a time, press on enter, wait until the scan is finished, then proceed with the next command. Afterwards, restart your computer and then you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, you can also run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To do this, press the Windows button, click on Settings, afterwards click on System on the left pane, then on the right side scroll down until you find the Troubleshoot category and just click on Other Troubleshooters, and lastly click on the Run button next to Windows Update. Windows will now try to detect any problems and fix them as soon as possible. Afterwards, you can restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to uninstall the latest Windows update. To do so, press the Windows button, click on Settings, afterwards click on Windows Update on the left pane, and then on the right side click on the Update History category. Now in here scroll way down until you find the Uninstall Update category and just click on it. And in here the last thing that you have to do is click on the Uninstall button next to Update for Microsoft Windows, which is the latest update, and then you can restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.